Hello there, this is Everything Minecraft Guy, or Ralph here, and this is my tabletop intro. Yes, this is my tabletop intro. And what I just read are these first two lines. So you know when you're in primary school, there's this plastic thing which covers your table, and underneath it you can put anything you like underneath it, like a tabletop like the one you're shown here. So here it says my hobbies or interests are elevators and escalators, electronics, computers, sound systems. The thingy out there, this is a Bose 321. Right there. Yeah, this right. The lighting is really. It says Bose there. And after that, fans like this thing. A little midget of a fan. This one is a AMR brushless DC fan, DFS 4510 12H70T, 12 volts DC at 0.09 amps, made in China. Minecraft, as always, and a lot of other stuff. Goals for PSLE 80 for English, 75 to 88 for maths, blah 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 blah. I don't want to color the background because it will mess up the writing style. That's might be all that I have to say because I'll have a bit of photos to use in my tabletop. This is Everything Minecraft Guy signing off. And here it says very huge oopsie daisy because I wanted to put goals, but instead I put GOAALS. My keyboard crapped out on me. And this will be my tabletop. I want to make my own Minecraft pictures by playing Minecraft and taking screenshots and printing it out, but I'll do it later. See ya!